Assalamu alaikum Raza. Hey, it's been ages. How have you been?
Walaikum assalam Rahil. I know, right. I've been good, thanks. How about you, Rahil? I wanted to talk to you about something.
Please tell me what you want.
I've been searching for a new job lately, and I was wondering if you had any leads or knew of any opportunities.
Oh, that's great to hear. I actually do know of a few openings in my company. They're looking for someone with your skill set and experience. I can definitely put in a good word for you.
That would be amazing. I really appreciate your help. Can you give me some more details about the positions available?
Of course. There's a marketing coordinator role which involves creating and implementing marketing strategies. They're also looking for a project manager to oversee various projects within the company.
Okay.
Both positions require strong communication and organizational skills, which I know you possess.
That sounds interesting. I have experience in marketing and project management, so I think I could be a good fit. Do you think you could pass along my resume or connect me with the right person?
Absolutely. I'll reach out to the HR department and let them know about your interest. I'll also give them your contact information so they can get in touch with you directly. I'm sure they'll be thrilled to hear about your qualifications.
Thank you so much. I can't express how grateful I am for your support. It means a lot to me to have an old friend like you looking out for me.
Hey, no problem at all. We've been friends for years, and I'm always happy to help. I believe in your abilities, and I know you'll excel in whichever job opportunity comes your way. Just keep me updated on how things progress, alright? Definitely. I'll let you know as soon as I hear anything. And hey, if there's ever anything I can do for you, don't hesitate to ask. Friendship works both ways, after all.
Thanks, friend. I'll remember that. Let's catch up soon, even if it's just for a cup of coffee. It's been too long, and I want to hear all about your job search journey.
Sounds like a plan. I look forward to it.
Thanks again for your help, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.
You're welcome. Take care too, and talk to you soon. Good luck with the job search. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz fi Amanullah.